Hi, Teos here. Today I want to share with you guys DJI Osmo Action 4 camera that I purchased on Amazon Prime Days just a few days ago. I'm one of the early adapters of DJI Osmo Action cameras. For years I've been using my DJI Osmo Action 1, believe it or not, and it's been serving me great. At the very beginning, I used it for cycling and this and that, but later on, I turned this into my C-cam in the studio environment to record things. But lately, it's been showing its age, so I decided to go for another action camera. Some of you over here may say, well, why didn't you go for an Osmo Action 6? Honestly, for what I do, I just need a perfect 4K camera from a certain angle, and these action cameras works great for that purpose. Also, I like doing point of view recording, which works great on my neck harness. So this was the most affordable camera at this sensor size comparing to 5 Pro and 6. Additionally, based on the reviews from professionals, this has the best non-action camera type of look on the recordings. Of course, the biggest factor was this was under $200. Next step up was around $310, so I decided to go for this guy. Let's go ahead and unbox this, see what comes with this, and of course compare it to my Osmo Action 1. I know some of you think it's laughable, but personally this was a great camera and I'm still gonna use it as I need it. So let's go ahead and unbox this cute little package, see what comes in it. Get this open. Just like my Action 1 came. Okay, nothing else comes in the box other than silica gel, of course the DJI sticker, little link to download the app. Let's go to the accessories. Okay. We have a lens cap. This is the standard combo, by the way. Here's the battery. And then the standard combo comes with the helmet mount. Just wanted to go with this one instead of Essential. So I get this for 10 bucks. You know, just in case if I want to try it out on the cycling. And here's the magnetic mount. This is something I'm definitely going to appreciate because I change locations of this camera too often, and this was a bit of a cumbersome process with the old camera. Here's the magnetic mount. Here's the awesome little cage, almost like soft plastic. Feels fairly good. I like it. Butterfly screw and Type-C to Type-C cable. Good old user manuals and paperwork. Let's go ahead and get this out of this bag. Here's the camera. Feels a lot better than my Osmo Action 1. Of course, they accomplished a lot. Here's the lens cover. Always wanted to try this. Oh wow, this magnetic thing is awesome. I guess you have to press it, lock it in. Oh wow, I'm very impressed. Very strong magnets. Down the road, just to add an accessory to this, I'm definitely considering getting a second battery since I saved a lot. Okay, here's the battery and here's the micro SD card spot. I have a bunch of these Samsung 256 Pros. I'm just gonna use this one. I use these on my drones, hell, even dash cams sometimes. Never failed me. My other cage came apart. I didn't have to do any of this stretching of the cage. This is how it looks. And then the cool thing is this magnetic guy actually fits on this and becomes a portrait style recording for those Instagram reels and YouTube shorts. And again, yeah, so this is my new DJI Osmo Action 4. I just picked up from the Amazon Prime Days sale. I'll be listing this at Teos Take Amazon store. If you order through that link, you'll be supporting my channel at no extra cost to you. So thank you. As always, if you find this video interesting, please go ahead and like and share, especially if you share it with your social media. I'd really appreciate it. If you have any questions, feel free to drop me a line. I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day.